What's up, y'all? It is TradingBae, Backtesting with Bella. Today I am going to be telling you guys how to enter into trades using TTOs and retracements using the Strat and, of course, ICT concepts. Also, I would like to say thank you to my first 60 subscribers. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my video and subscribe to me. It's okay. It's alright, no problem. No problem. Alright, y'all, so getting straight into it, I'm gonna tell y'all how to do ICT and in every video. Yeah.
Come on.
Alright, so making the video a little big. I'm going to show you guys how I scalp at the end of the day using TTOs and retracements. Alright, so going back into backtesting mode, this is from today. You guys can see here, before everything plays out, there's a run up from 39.44 all the way up to 39.74. I'll go to the 15-minute chart. I'm going to mark the high, and I'm going to mark the low of the day. So, where's the low of the day? So, right here is the low of the day. I'll change these colors. You guys know in the 15-minute chart, we always mark the high and the low of the day. Go down to the 5-minute chart. There's a big imbalance. On a 5-minute chart, I always mark my fair value gaps to be purple. On the 15-minute chart, that's the same. There's also a small fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, white. But there's one that looks to be more noticeable that needs to get filled. So there. Well, matter of fact, I'll bring it to the first one. Here we go. This fair value gap needs to be filled. So on the 15-minute chart, it is bullish. And if you guys look at the time frame continuity, I made a video about this. It is all green. So hopefully I'm not losing you guys. I marked my fair value gaps on the 15-minute and a 5-minute chart. On the 15-minute, I made my fair value gaps white, and on the 5-minute chart, I make them purple. Going down to the 2-minute chart is here where I find my entries. Right here, I am looking for a pullback. On a 2-minute chart, I mark my fair value gaps blue. So this is where the TTOs come in, and this is how you can find entries to enter for a profitable trade. You never want to catch the trade on a run up. See here, it was a break of structure. Put my break of structure here. And change the color to green. There was a break of structure at 39.68. It ran $10 up. You do not want to get in a trade on a continuation. Like it's just not very smart. Like you would want to get in a trade on a retracement. So if I had seen a trade already on a run like this, it wouldn't be a big ass deal to me. Instead, I would wait for this. So this is a TTO to the downside. You know a TTO because how quickly it retracts back to wherever the fuck it was going. So going down to the 1-minute chart, it went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, and then it started to go back to the upside. So let's just see. You guys see how it was a retracement back to the downside. So as soon as I see it going to the upside again, because overall it's very bullish today. Like the full time frame continuity is green, so that lets me know that the overall day is bullish. So I'm looking for any re-entries that I can enter in on and get calls So right here at 39.66, it has entered into the 15-minute fair value gap. You guys know I make my fair value gaps on the 15-minute chart white. Let's zoom it in so you guys can see more clearly. And I'm looking for a re-entry. Here is an entry. This black imbalance right here, this big black imbalance in this candle, it needs to be refilled. So I will add a long position, and I will be in for calls. And if you guys see here, it was already at this point once it's back here. Obviously, it didn't take out the downside. Instead, it started reversing back up to the upside, right? So, one second, let me play my song, because y'all know I don't listen to anything. I don't listen to anything. So right here, I'm looking for calls to the upside, go long. 39.67. I want to see it test the top again. I'm entering in my trade now. 100K ain't enough, yeah. So you guys see how it already went from 367 to a high of 371. She said, no, I look great. Skin like honey with a Coke bottle shake, yeah. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and just mark some targets so you guys can like see where it's headed. And even if I go to the 15-minute chart, it's very bullish. 15-minute chart, it looks to be taking out the top here, 39.88. So I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute chart. See how it looks on the 5-minute chart? Okay. And now I want to see it go up. Alright, so it's back at this point again. It can go up and run over from here into the 15-minute fair value gap to where I said it would go to 39.88, or it can drop from here. It may be another TTO. So here, it's back at this point. So we're watching closely right here. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and clear that. We already took our profits for that trade. Would have got in from 367, $10 up, 39.77. So this is how you can trade SPX at the end of the day, re-entering on retracements and TTOs. This is an ICT concept, and if you guys see, I use the Strat concepts too. I see on the full time frame continuity that they are all green. Besides the year, it's very much so enforced to be bullish for today. She a little down, she a trapper, huh? So this is the 2-minute chart. So it's holding this resistance level at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 minutes is holding this resistance point. Go down to the 1-minute chart. Very much so holding. Here could be possible entry to scalp quick puts. So from 39.77 back to 39.74. Alright, so from there, it went from 39.77 to a low of 39.75. So $2 down. We don't play those type of moves. Plus the overall trend is bullish. So just looking for calls. You're looking for any place to re-enter for calls. Stop. Alright, so here it was a re-entry for calls. You can go to the 2-minute chart. This is going to take out this fair value gap. I want to see it take out half of it. 50%. So I will have my target for 39.84, and if it's at 39.80 right now, I want to see it go $4 up. All right, it's at a new high. At a new high, there's going to be a pullback, or it's even going to continue running. So I'm just showing you guys how to use retracements and TTOs, triangle. They are out to enter into a trade, and just following the trend on whatever that may be. Whether it's bullish or bearish, you're just looking for re-entries to play calls or puts in the market. So let's just say if you were coming into the market, you were looking to enter a trade, you're not entering at the top. You're looking to get in on a retracement. So you see now it's going down, so let the downside play out. And then you would be looking for re-entries. So right here is a re-entry. So I would add another long position. Have my stop loss below there. This is all trading at the end of the day. Alright, so here there's another TTO. So if you would have got in at the end of the day, these are just quick scalps. Closed at 39.84. Went to a high of 39.87, so $3 up. Right here, it is back at a support level. Depending on the next candle, I'm gonna go down to the lower time frame so I can catch it faster. Depending on the next candle, if the next candle is up, I'm looking for retracement to the upside. Enter. This is entry for calls. Again, this is the last example I will do for today on TTOs, triangle day out, and retracements, so you guys can, like, you know, just have a better understanding of the market. There's always imbalances, there's always fair value gaps, there's always retracements and TTOs in the market. Once you learn how to play those, trading should be pretty much better for you guys. I don't know what I did here. I put my long position. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Let's put in the Fibonacci. Alright, so there we go. There we have it. Oh, it's TTO next to the downside. Alright, so you would have got in from here. A low of 39.80, closed at 39.82, and went to a high of 39.87. So that would have been a $5 move up, which is pretty good for scalping in the last 30 minutes of the day. It was another TTO back to the downside, and that's just basically how you use TTOs and retracements in the market. You can use this on any time frame. If you guys need a more in-depth detailed review on TTOs and retracements, you guys can go look up videos on the Strat, or you can go look up videos for the Inner Circle Trader ICT. So yeah, I will be back with another video tomorrow, because I make a video every day, and y'all know that I bring the heat every day. So be sure to subscribe so you guys can catch every video, and yeah, until tomorrow, bye.